Hello, everybody. This is Lauren Brantley, CEO and owner of Lauren Ashley Design. I welcome you today to reveal the kitchen, a part of our Christmas rendered event. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our blog and our YouTube channel to join these events live and in action. Let's get started with the kitchen. So the kitchen, as you can see, it has very natural elements throughout, and that was very important to me as I prepare this design for what I would call our Christmas client. The client that is wanting that new and inspired space for 2021. So natural elements, storage, and quality design was three things that was really important, as well as open concept. And you see that the kitchen is open to the dining space that has beautiful, well lit sunroom windows bouncing into the kitchen, and as well as the living room that has the floor to ceiling open windows that open out into the back patio area. So that provides us gorgeous elements from the outdoors in, as well as that open concept that we were looking for. And then when it comes to the finishes, I selected double panel doors, soapstone, and brass throughout, as well as glass elements when it comes to the wall hung open shelves. And these elements provided good quality design. Even though we're doing e-design, providing good quality cannot be compromised. And so that was my goals when it comes to this design. And I hope you see that was truly executed well in this kitchen. And please join me in subscribing, as I mentioned earlier, and commenting on the blog post and engaging throughout this event. I look forward to seeing you and commenting and joining you throughout social media, blog posts, and YouTube throughout the month of December. I hope you have a blessed Christmas.